Hi everyone and welcome back. Diane Foisy here with today's calligraphy tip is actually a demonstration of work that I did for a client, and what it was Christmas ornaments with a message on one side and a name on the other side. Okay, so here we go. Enjoy. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, do give me a thumbs up and do share as well, and smash that subscribe button. I've got an upcoming 4-part video series that you do not want to miss out on my journey in calligraphy. So do ring that bell and you'll be notified when my upcoming videos come up. All right, I will be posting here every week, and I've got, like I said, an upcoming 4-part video series that I think you'll enjoy. Okay, bye for now.